Welcome to the Forex Success Club training. I want to show you a quick trade that I got in. That's not looking good for a trade. We want it to come up at least to this level, really to here, before we even mess with that trade, because that's where we won't even mess with that. Maybe here, but I would like it to really come up here before I mess with it, because this is where the conciliation is happening, where it's hit this a few times. Here, it's hit 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that's enough. That's the daily. We'll see. It may be here. We'll see. It's that level, but I doubt it. Looks like that's the trading energy right in here. So we'll see. I would like to put a pending order right here. But let's look at the Australian British pound, the one I did get in. And why I got in, because I got in low at 86.66 around here, at 86.79. Hey baby, right here. So as you see, I got in at the bottom, and it's going up. Now the British pound looks like a good trade for a sell. This is all if you look at the daily, that's what I was looking at. I missed a couple. I'm going to put a pending order at 1.3175. So I'm a little late for the trade. It's at 51. I would like to have caught it at the top. Retracts, I'll get in the trade, but this is the best one so far. Let me see what the Euro US. Euro US is in the middle. I'd like to catch it up here. Trend lines up here. I'd catch it in that area. It's sideways right now. Let's see what it's going to do. So the best trade of the day is Euro British pound. See what the Australian US is doing. Yeah, maybe here and write it down. I'm not sure. Let's see what it's going to do. Maybe. I'm not going to chest it though, because there's so much room. I like to see it come up here. Get it to a sell. Now, of course, the best would have been catching it right in this area, or really here. Would have been best. This is where I like to catch it. So I'm not going to mess with it right now. But if it gets here, it hits this top point a couple of times, a couple of days, I may get into it. See what the forward chart looks like. See, yeah. Let's hit that top. If it hits this top a couple more times on the 4-hour chart, I may get in and write it down. May have missed it, but let's see it. Let's see if it hits up here again. See if that's a new resistance. But the only trade I'm comfortable with is the British pound going up, and I'm in profit. So that's it for now. Join my class, Forex Success Club Trading. Get in it. Just make some money. Peace and prosperity. October 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and October 9th, 10th, and 11th. 16 intensive.